So before I say anything, these are the specs this device offers. MediaTek Helio G88, 8 gigs of internal RAM which can be bumped up to 16 gigs inside the settings, 256 gig internal storage, 6.8-inch with 90Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt wide charging, and 3 camera lenses on the rear. And this is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, a good budget device you can get this year at a decent price for yourself. Now these are my reasons for saying that. Okay, so now let's talk about the cameras. To be honest, the camera on this device is decent, and I know a lot of you guys are not going to believe, but just take a look at this image I captured with the Tecno Spark 10 Pro and tell me in the comments what you think. The only downside of this device cameras is it struggles in low light condition, but this shouldn't be a big deal because you should know this is a budget device. So on the back of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is a 3 camera system, a 50 megapixel wide sensor, and 2 other camera sensors. One for depth and the other is an AI camera with LED flash. I think anyone looking for a budget device with decent budget camera this year should definitely check out the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. I know there are a lot of options out there, but I doubt they are also going to give you the same image quality this device is giving you. Now in terms of recording video, or if you like to record videos on your device, then the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is also capable of recording videos in 2K resolution, which is at least good for your TikTok videos. Then you can edit and export in 1080p, which is most suitable for a lot of social media apps. This is not a bad phone after all, and everything on this device is made possible because of the chipset inside this device, and here's what you need to know. So the Tecno Spark 10 Pro utilizes the MediaTek Helio G88 processor. With this processor, you are getting fast uploading times and sustained performance whilst playing games, and also this is a huge update from last year's Helio G88 found in the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. Now performance on this device has really been amazing, though I noticed some lags at some point because I had a lot of apps running in the background. But with the help of RAM Fusion, you can easily add an extra 8 gigs of RAM to your existing 8 gig internal RAM to boost performance on this guy. Meaning in total you are getting 16 gigs of internal RAM. Wow. To be honest, your day-to-day tasks on this device will run very smooth. High-intensive tasks such as gaming will also run smooth without any lag. And I can promise you that, especially if you run these games in medium or low graphics settings. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro I have here comes with 256 gig internal storage, which is a good choice, especially if you are planning on using the device for a long period of time. Plus, there's an option to add more storage using the SD card slot, so you are getting a lot of benefit here. Now out of the box, the Tecno Spark 10 Pro runs on Android 13 with exciting features inside iOS, and let's hope this device still gets updates as time goes on, but for now there's no official word from Tecno regarding future updates on this device. But in all, I think I'm very happy this device is running on the latest Android 13 OS. Scrolling on this device is quite smooth, but not exactly what you get on flagship devices. It is easy for you to notice the difference if you've used any device with a high refresh rate. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro boasts a large 6.8-inch IPS LCD display with 1080p resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth animation and scrolling on the display. The colors from this display looks decent. It is an IPS LCD panel, so colors are not going to be too vibrant as compared to an AMOLED display, but this is not bad after all. I compared this with other devices and I think I prefer this screen instead. Watching videos on this display is really nice, and to be honest, the viewing angles on this display is good as well. So the only downside of this display is using this display under direct sunlight will be a little bit hard for you because it comes with a peak brightness of up to 580 nits. And this is not bright for outdoor usage. Anyways, you should just consider this is a budget device, and yeah, keep that in mind. The design on this device will get a lot of you guys talking because taking a look at the back of this device, it looks somehow like an iPhone. Anyways, let me know down in the comment section what you think about the design. Now the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has a glass back that feels premium, it looks good, and also is able to resist fingerprint smudges effectively. There are two color options that are available in my region, which is the pearl white and starry black, the one I have here. Now this phone's frame is made of plastic, but surprisingly, it feels more like a premium device in hand, even though this is a budget device. Anyways, in terms of IP certification, this device is not specified yet, so I think we'll have to consider that before jumping into the pool. This is just a friendly reminder. But it also has something a lot of you guys would appreciate. So you get a SD card slot to expand storage on this device, and also it comes with a headphone jack to use your wired earphones. Now the battery is another major reason to go in for this device if you are planning to buy one for yourself. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro comes with 5000 mAh battery, which is a normal battery capacity used in most budget devices nowadays. But the battery life on this device has really been excellent. You can go a full day on this device or two on just a single charge, and you should always remember this. It will all depend on your usage. So if you use your device too much, then I think it's definitely going to take you throughout one day. In summary, the battery life on this device is impressive. Another impressive thing is this device supports up to 18-watt wired charging. So juicing up this device is going to be fast, but not as fast as you are expecting. And yeah, you can find a charging brick inside the box, and you don't have to buy a new charging brick to charge your device. So the Tecno Spark 10 Pro offers decent features at an affordable price. Whilst this may not be the latest and greatest specs, it is a good option for people looking for a budget-friendly device that can handle most of their day-to-day tasks. So if you are looking for a device with large display, good battery life, and also decent camera performance, then you can check out the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. I think it's going to be a good choice for you. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about this device, and please like and share this video to anyone you know. Subscribe for more future updates, and stay safe.